You are go done, but somebody when they start for them child, them now go done. Cause she's another person who have to ramp with and things that she go done. It's too late now, right, Carly? It's too late now. It's too late now for you to come and cry cree. And you first start from the woman child. And if everybody on the app, then with justice and talk truth and make people know, say, you was the first one start class triple child, 12 child, Rosalie child, Taya child, and I come for cheese one now. So cheese approach your back. You have to stop it, little girl, you have to stop it. America, this is not a nice place as I think it is. Because if all the things say Jamaica more dangerous than America. No, America is more dangerous. Because you know what is America do? Girl, America watch you, make you do what you do. And then them come for you. May I tell you that? Because I'm there for a long time. My family are there years, 50 years, 60 years. And when me come here, them tell you the rule about America. Them watch you. Half of them watch you, then them come for you.